911 restoration, when everyone is leaving, you are going in. When roads are flooded and access is limited, you keep moving forward. You bring the equipment, experience, and solutions to fix the problems that very few know how to fix. There is obvious and inherent risk when dealing with disasters, remediations, and restoration. Baker Group has designed a custom solution, BakerTrac for 911 restoration. BakerTrac for 911 restoration is a custom system that is an end-to-end solution for 911 restoration with only 3 major steps for helping secure your money even before the contract is signed. At Baker Group, we understand that speed is critical when taking on contracts, so we have a highly expedited front-end fraud and entity check, as well as asset and liability report that gives you insight on who you are doing business with and if they potentially have current issues. This includes the insurance companies and property owners regarding the projects that you are investing time, money, and resources in. Next, on projects that you have done the work but have not been paid and want to ensure that you retain your lien or bond claim rights, we help manage, prepare, and file those crucial documents that have critical timelines so you don't unknowingly lose your rights to secure the debts owed to you. BakerTrac for 911 restoration by Baker Group helps you with nationwide tracking and managing of these important, sometimes convoluted, requirements and timelines that vary state by state so you can focus on your projects. Finally, if and when accounts end up to the point where they are considered a bad debt, we will take over and use any and every tool that we have at our disposal to get you paid, even if that means seeing the case through the end of litigation and to judgment. We only get paid our contingency fee whenever you get paid, so we have a vested interest in making sure that you get your money. At Baker, we understand that 911 restoration, you go into disaster areas and handle restoration jobs that are risky. However, we also know that we can help make your contracts and getting paid for your work less risky. You fix disaster areas. We fix disaster accounts. Together, we can thrive.